Hello guys, Papa Smurf Clips here, and I'm here to tell you that I joined a new clan. I'm out of Mercy. If you try to add me, add me on Don. Not Don for Prez, that's my leader, but add me on Grub for Prez. 1B GRUB 4 Prez PREZ, and I'll soon be adding you. I'll be making some 1v1 videos and some more trick shot videos coming up. And first I need to get me a fucking PVR so I can start fucking recording videos on fucking Monfort 2 and Monfort 3 and Black Ops 2 and shit. But anyways, as you know, that I joined that clan because it's my friend's clan and I've been known for a long time. But yeah, well that's basically about it, but you can subscribe if you want to. I know you probably don't like me. I got 10 subscribers so far. I'm trying to make up to the big times, but I need to make more videos for that to happen. But if you would subscribe, that would really help me out so I can get some more. I'm trying to get me a partnership. I'm about to get Machinima because I Skype Machinima all the time. I Skype, if you know Ant Venom from Minecraft, I Skype him. I Skype Caveman Films. I Skype a lot of people. One time I even got to Skype Technical Difficult, but it was hard to get him. He would never get on. But then I finally got him. But anyways, if you're watching my video right now, then I love you so much. I love you. But anyways, I love you. I blinked 500 times. Exaggerating. But anyways, thought it froze, didn't you? Ha! But anyways, I am trying to tell you that I'm going to make more videos. Okay? Okay, guys. Bye! Thought I was leaving, didn't you? You thought I was leaving, didn't you? You thought I was leaving. I did. Bye.